Got the frame secured. We've already taken a Sharpie marker, marked out the feed ramp. I've got me a 1/2 inch diameter dowel with this is 400 grit wet and dry sandpaper, and we're going to sand that out. Got it wrapped around the dowel pretty tight, and we're going to hold it with our finger as we try to get the angle right. And this is when you, that's a tight fit. I may end up having to shave a little bit off of this bugger. Yeah, so we are. Need to shave some off of that bugger. Yep. Looks like it's still a little tight. Let's see. Trying to make sure it'll mark. I got my center mark right there, so I want to make sure it's vertical. Alright, we're not in there enough. Oh, yeah, we are. Just had my angle off by a little bit. And the reason we blew it is so that we can see where it's working and where it's not. You can see it's marking up the paper. All right. Now all we're doing is polishing it. Get my mark squared away. And this will help us, this will help prevent, turn the paper around, us from getting the ramp off. We don't want to make the ramp, we don't want to alter the shape of the ramp, the angle. There we go. All right, got that. Very quick, easy. Wipe that out. Now, let's re-blue it and do it again. Yeah, if you don't blue it, if you don't color it up, if it's already shiny, you may not be able to see if your angle is off. And being it's such light sandpaper, to start with, you just may not be able to. Or being it's light sandpaper, you can do it a couple of times because you're not going to be removing any metal. You're just removing the burrs, the tool marks, the uneven layers inside of it. And that should be good and dry. Get my little mark here set up. You can see how it's, well, you can see on the side it's shining a little faster than it is on the bottom. Just about. Not applying a whole lot of pressure. See, already got all that removed. And I got my sandpaper wrapped around that. I have re-blued the ramp. Make sure it's focusing. Let's see if we can get it right. Oh, and using a different dowel. I got a smaller dowel. I'm wanting only to hit that center right there. Got my angle off a bit. Now I got my angle right. I think that's coming out pretty damn nice. Yep, I think that'll work.